Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Search Console for indexing troubleshooting step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Google Search Console in the address bar. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Search Console homepage. On the homepage, locate the Start Now button. Click on the Start Now button to proceed. You will be prompted to log in with your Google account. Enter your Google account email address in the provided field. Click on the Next button. Input your password in the password field. Click on the Next button again to access your account. Once logged in, you will see the Search Console dashboard. If you manage multiple properties, select the property you want to troubleshoot. Use the left navigation menu to find the Index section. Click on Index to expand the options. Select Coverage from the expanded list. In the Coverage report, review any errors or warnings listed. Click on any specific error type to get more details. Follow the provided recommendations to address each issue. For further insights, navigate to the Removals section. Here you can check for any pages that may have been mistakenly removed. Once issues are resolved, consider using the URL inspection tool. Enter the URL you want to check in the inspection tool. Click Enter to retrieve the indexing status of that page. Review the indexing information displayed in the inspection results. If necessary, you can request indexing for specific pages. Click on the Request Indexing button if the option is available. Confirm your request and wait for Google to process it. Return to the coverage report to monitor for updates over time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.